Hey guys, welcome back to another video with Outdoors Bros today. So what we're going to be doing today is some more fishing, but this time it's down at the pond. So Pierce and I and Simon are going to be fishing today. And so, yeah, let's get to it. I'll be down there in a few. Okay, so we just got down. Why am I still wearing my helmet down here? Whatever.
Stop it, delete it.
No. Alright, so we just got down here, all of us at least, and I'm just getting some worms. Juicy, juicy worms.
What's up, dudes?
Simon.
Here.
Hey.
Juicy.
Juicy, juicy, juicy.
Juicy worms.
Juicy, juicy, juicy. Juicy.
Alright, Pierce, shut up.
I just want to warn you, you see that log out there? We lost a lure on it one time.
Okay.
There's Gatorade in that.
Gatorade, childs.
It's good for
Go
you.
get some Gatorade if you're playing sports. It's good for you.
But we're gonna cut to an ad.
Ned, cut.
Gatorade.
No.
Gatorade. Drink it.
Ned,
Yum,
I have
yum,
to go to the
yum.
bathroom. Cut.
Alright, Simon, go somewhere. Alright, Simon has to go. No! Simon wants to stop the video of our pleasureness.
You may hear something. It will be deadly listening.
Yeah, you might just hear some like tinkles.
Tinkle.
Like when you go on
Okay,
the.
the thing is, I'm taking number 2.
Okay,
Taking
so.
a number 1 at least.
Alright, Pierce, shut up. Okay, so when we first got down here, we saw like. How much? I saw like 6 fish. And yeah. Oh, yeah, and also earlier I went down on the river again, and I caught a striper, 20 inches, on the on top water. It was insane.
Yeah, we didn't think
We
of
had. Yeah, I forgot to bring the GoPro. Sorry, guys. And it was within a minute, and I had 6 bites. It was insane. There are also tons of herring rising and whatnot.
Literally weren't at the river for 30 seconds. And guess who caught a striper?
Ned.
That was me.
Only bite for the day. Ned.
Yeah, Ned
Yeah.
was making us look bad. All I caught was seaweed.
Yeah. Bite.
Fishy!
Got one.
It's a bluegill.
Got one, guys.
It's a bluegill. Yeah. Who knows what it is? Probably a bluegill.
Yep.
It's a bluegill. It's a bluegill.
fish.
A bluegill.
Bluegill.
Ned making Pierce and I look bad.
Bluegill.
Bluegill. That was odd. Look at him. Look at that little fishy.
See? There's a fish.
Bye bye.
To you viewers who've never gone fishing, I suggest going fishing.
Yeah.
It's awesome.
Go noodling. For big catfish and you'll get bitten.
Pierce just hit a tree. Pierce has been a bad boy. I'm putting my worm on.
Guys, comment bad boy if Pierce has been a bad boy.
Yeah, comment bad boy if Pierce is a bad boy, you think.
We'll figure out how to turn comments on. We're sorry.
Okay, child. Whoever's watching. I caught Simon.
Ned? Show them. Pierce
it
caught me.
Take a.
You guys are so weird. Not you guys. You viewers are the best. Like, if you guys watch our videos, you guys are
We
like,
are friends.
if you guys, if who's ever watching this is like,
They're our friends, Ned. Not
They're like-
anyone else in the whole
Pierce,
entire
your
world.
first video got 207 views last time.
Yeah,
I
because our friends just kept watching
No
it.
offense, but I have.
Oh.
I doubt you have 207 friends.
hey,
No,
don't judge me.
we don't have 283 friends.
Yeah, we don't. I'm not that popular.
280.
Right.
You're not social distance. Social distance, by the way.
Oh, I had a butt.
Never. You shall never.
Social distance.
Never.
Guys, I caught a Pierce.
If you social distance, you're a good boy.
Wait,
Oh
what?
my God, Pierce, it won't come out. fish!
They keep on.
Help!
No.
Ned, it's stuck with both hooks!
I'm gonna get killed because of you, Ned, because you won't help me.
All right, Simon, that's like making it worse.
Oh my god, it's already terrible. Viewers, don't try this at home.
Don't be us at home.
Don't be
Yeah, don't be us at home. Don't be stupid. That's
Ned, don't
us.
be dumb. Ned, shouldn't you bait your hook with the bluegill?
That was too big of a chungus.
So what?
Ned, we can just cut it up and just put
We don't have a knife.
yeah, we do.
Guys, I should be scared. Pierce, bring a knife.
Why I have
Guys,
a knife?
Pierce has a knife.
It's in the black bag. Titan.
In a black bag.
A black body bag. Oh my god, guys, I caught more seaweed. Oh
for
my
you.
god, best catch of the century. Look at all of that seaweed.
Look at all of those.
Ned, they're just getting a really good close up of your hands while you kill a worm. Squeamish viewers, I'm sorry. Ned's weird.
I'm sorry if I make you feel like, oh my gosh, you're
I can't
killing.
call him anything other than weird because then we'll get copyright. No, we won't get channel strikes. We'll get channel strikes.
What does that mean?
Basically, you get a channel strike, and if you get 3 channel strikes in a month, they delete your channel.
Wait, what's a channel strike? What does it do? Oh,
It gets your channel in trouble. It's kind of... Guys, look where my cast went.
got one. Oh,
We use that for bait.
Yeah, use that one for bait.
Dad, you want me to get a big hook?
yep. All right, so Pierce is gonna use this guy for bait.
Are we gonna live line him or we gonna cut him up?
Live on him.
Okay, so he doesn't have to.
Sorry, guys, who thinks this is like kind of sad. I'm sorry. We're just trying to get some views from we just want you guys to see a big, fatter fish
Guys are
in this.
squeamish, go away.
Whoa, Simon, aggressive.
Well, I'm sorry if they can't handle it.
All right, hold the. Simon's holding the fish, and I'm gonna catch more. Typical. Simon, don't be bad boy.
Die. Put him in the water quickly. Dip him in.
Dip him into water.
Die on me.
Oh god, he got away. No, he did not. Got him.
We got him back, Pierce.
Yay. He got some water.
He got some fresh water. Fresh water. Fresh water.
Oh god, this little dude is slippery! Literally and figuratively. Oh my god, stop! I'm just trying to keep you alive!
I'm stuck,
Guys are
guys.
staring at me and I feel guilty.
We're just live lining him. No!
Pierce, don't swear!
Where is he?
We don't know!
Sorry, guys. I really didn't mean to.
See, little butt.
No, I'm taking Ned's fishing spot because apparently it's awesome.
No, it's just me. Apparently, I can't get my stuff out of the tree.
Sorry that I sweared.
You can bleep it out.
It wasn't the worst one.
Oh, Pierce.
Wait, Ned, can you bleep stuff out?
I don't know how.
Because we're really bad at it. Caleb probably don't do how.
I bet if you just insert a beeping sound effect over the word.
We just have to make it real.
Swearing competition. Beep, beep, beep,
Yeah,
beep.
just make the...
Alright, can you hold this?
Are you filming?
Yeah. I'm going to.
Okay, we'll have to learn how to bleep stuff out.
Pierce, he said a bad word, so.
So,
Don't repeat this at home.
cool.
YouTube, please don't demonetize us. We're just stupid children. Oh crap. Look at all that poison ivy.
Suck it up, Ned.
I don't know, but I don't care. Na 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 na. I don't know, but I don't care. Oh,
How's it called?
no, Pippi. So one of our neighbor's dogs just came down here. So, and Pearson and Simon are arguing which is which because they have two dogs that look exactly the same. Holy, there's a fire! There's an actual fire, dudes.
Is that an actual fire?
No, that's actual.
I can't tell if someone's controlling that or what.
There's a person over there. Seems like they're trying to put it out.
Oh my gosh.
Bigger guys. Yep,
Yep, that's a fire.
it's gonna burn down.
Pierce be like, the house is gonna.
Get it, Ned?
Almost. Almost done. Yep, that's Posey. Yep, that's definitely getting bigger.
Oh my god!
Guys, run.
We're witnessing. Witnessing.
Something is going wrong.
Going fishing gone wrong. Click.
We are not gonna name this gone wrong.
Guys, that's like an actual fire. I don't know if they're just trying to put it out, being a coward and running away, or if they're calling 911. I think there are two people there.
Yeah, it looks.
I can't see them. I can only see one person right now.
There's a blue dot, which is, I think, someone in a blue t-shirt, and a white dot.
Yeah, we just described people's dots now. She ate
Yeah,
a.
because we're too far away for anything else!
Yeah, let's get bigger, guys. I didn't expect to see a big fire.
I hear a bird.
All of this is gonna burn down.
Yeah, that's a bird.
people.
Yeah, guys, we're gonna die. So this might be our last video.
Run.
Guys,
I cannot.
That's
fire comes to us.
It won't go.
Get in the lake.
pond.
Whatever!
I just bike home and then call 911 and then booyah.
I think it would already be cold if it's all the way over here.
Yeah, Ned, if the fire reaches us all the way over here, 911 can't do anything. That's a bird! Let's lifeline it!
Now I don't know how I'm gonna get it through. Okay, so guys, I'm back in the water and again, so in the fire?
It looks like a body. It's burning.
That can get us demonetized here.
I did
Ladies
not.
and gentlemen, I present you Pierce, the person who gets you demonetized every...
Yeah, never have Pierce on your YouTube channel. He'll holy. Whoa, my God.
There's a fire over there!
Yeah.
We think
Oh, bite.
body. We're filming! You don't have to do that!
Oh, gosh.
This is a fire. It's spreading. Caleb, is it?
See how long that skid mark I just made was.
Yeah, Caleb, but that's spreading.
Do I still have my worm?
Caleb, the fire.
Oh, my gosh, that scared me.
Do something about it, child.
That.
Check out that skid mark.
That's what I'm doing right now. What else would I?
Probably 20 or 30 feet long.
Holy.
Okay, where's the bald patch on the tire? Yo, Ned, can you hook me up with a worm?
Wait. That's a big hook.
Simon,
Wait.
there's a hook.
Pour up the threads on the tire.
Not like you're already taking them
Come
off.
on, Simon. Simon. It is like.
It stopped biting. Oh, no, it didn't.
Get it?
No.
There's a giant. Yeah.
As soon as I said it stopped biting, it started biting, and then I
Stop biting.
went in for the hook set, and boom.
I hit the gate.
Caleb is being a commotion.
Caleb's being Caleb.
Typical.
Oh, that was the best cast in the world.
It's just a hook.
Alright, see ya.
Wait, where you going? Where are you going? Oh.
Do you have a fish?
You guys just down here by yourself?
Yeah, Simon might have a big fish. He got a stick.
Thought you guys were down here with McKenna. That's what Sai said.
That's what we thought.
Yeah.
Boys, I got a stick! A big
Yeah, he wasn't even here. Here, hold my leg. What?
Alright, so guys, I'm gonna
we didn't
cast
even see
back
her.
out
She said she was gonna come down with her
for a
dad.
fish.
Who cares?
Big boys and a big boy. Big Max. Oh.
Meow meow.
Fish.
Better.
No!
Shiitake mushrooms
Yeah, shiitake mushrooms, that's right. Our new word.
or shot.
You guys,
Shot.
anybody who wants to be
Yep,
like
the fire.
anybody who wants to be like us, you just need like a GoPro, a good editing program,
And be stupid. That's
and the
all.
guts to do dumb crap
Something.
like us.
Yeah.
Yep.
And then you'll be us.
I mean, like today we tried filming like a dumb video where we pretended to go primal, and it just devolved into a mud fight.
And
We'll post some of that footage.
no, we
on a
won't.
Video maybe.
That will
It's
never be
showing me.
seen.
Are those all bugs? Maybe. Oh, looks like it.
Pierce, no one will ever see that other than us.
Unless our friends come over and want to see it.
But they won't. Sorry guys, it's taking forever.
I haven't even seen it. We did that today.
Alright, so guys, I'm gonna stop the video and until I get a fish. See ya. Okay, so guys, I have a lot of bites right now.
You know PewDiePie, right?
Yeah, we know pewds.
He started in his bedroom filming Minecraft videos. Like, I think the first Minecraft video, he accidentally pressed screen record. And he saw it and then he was like, I'm just gonna post it. And he posted it. And look at him now. He's
No, it's crap.
I'm filming, you know.
You
Yeah,
are?
we know.
Sup, guys? I thought you said you were gonna pause the video until you got the next fish.
Yeah, I
Bites.
Whee! Whee!
it's been literally half a minute and then I had a fish. Then I lost a fish. Then I had no fish.
Oh, look on.
Pierce has a oh.
Fish.
Got one. Oh, it's super tiny. Let's go. Let's go.
Boy.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Look at this
That's
little.
good. Boy. Fish rise.
Fish rise?
Yeah, see? Oh, no, you barely hooked it.
Here. Wait. Pierce is gonna live line that guy, and I'm gonna. Ow! Pierce dropped him on me, and he spiked
I
me.
was the S word again.
Shiitake mushrooms. How about that?
Not like that.
Pierce, it's shiitake mushrooms.
Sorry, I just like.
That's our new word.
Fish!
Simon caught a fish. It's his own lure. Almost caught a fish. And
Sponsor us!
No, we won't go, bro.
yeah, GoPro sponsor us. We need more of your fish. Got one. No, I had it.
The next one you get, give it to Simon.
Uh.
He has one. Simon reels it in.
Okay.
Look at my bluegill.
Look at him go, bro!
Look at my bluegill.
I swear, if the bluegill goes for Ned's rod,
We'd have 2 in 1.
I think the bluegill's dead.
Well, who knows?
He might be in heaven.
Let's go on the water. Let's see. I think something's gonna eat it.
No, you gotta get it out there, boy.
I let it. I moved it over. Little fishy. I'm hauling you
Pierce
in
caught
like a chicken nugget.
Pierce.
Yeah.
Sign language. Make it go. Okay.
Okay, I know what
Ah!
I'm scared.
No, actually.
I know.
All right, Simon, I'm gonna get a fish in 5, 4. Oh! Oh!
Gimme!
No, this is a good one. That's a.
Gimme!
Oh!
That was a bass.
That was a good fish.
That was a bass.
That was a pickerel.
That was a pickerel?
What? You should have been a good boy and actually like reeled it.
No, it was like got caught on something. I swear. Don't swear. I didn't swear.
Look at my bluegill.
Ow.
Sorry, Simon. Oh my gosh, my golly. I almost got a big fat fish.
If we caught a pickerel,
Yo, guys, if you ever catch a pickerel, like,
kill it.
in Maine somewhere,
Kill it.
You have to,
I know at our pond you have to leave it out for the eagle, but kill it.
because they're. I was gonna say racist. They're invasive. They aren't
Yeah.
racist
Fish can't be racist.
unless they're
Unless fish.
turn into stupider.
So, something guys, I have a bass.
Roll it in.
No, something's eating my. No.
Reel it
No, a bass. No, there's a bass attacking. Reel it in. No, I don't have.
No, not yet.
No, guys, it's attacking.
Holy crap! Pierce is having big bites on it. What?
No, guys.
Then why didn't you leave it out there?
I'm gonna cast out that.
Guys, that was a big bass.
Is it just me or does it feel like it's raining?
It's probably raining over.
Oh my gosh, guys! I'll get back to you when I have a fish. See ya.
Leave it.
Okay, so I was just having some bites, and hopefully it comes back.
Bass comes back.
Yeah, Pierce had a like.
These are my bobber, not my bait. That's kind of bad.
Bobber life.
Bobber, like, and I'm
I'm just gonna let this thing carry it.
Oh, here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
You got something. The bobber went down.
Yeah, not anymore though. Oh, as I say it.
Wait.
Wait for it.
It's going down.
fish. You have a fish. Dana, do you have a fish?
No, I don't. You have to wait until it goes. Then you got a fish. Ow! Can you hear me a worm? Can you hear me a worm?
I can't believe that bass is shooting my bait.
I'll grab it.
Am I the only person not using a worm?
Pierce
I'm not
isn't
using a worm, Simon. I'm not using a worm.
Organic bait.
organicism. Simon's be using plastic baits.
We've seen 2 species, or 3 different species. We've caught 1 species, landed it, and then we've had 2 other types of species that we've had on our lines.
What?
A bass and a pickerel.
Oh yeah.
Or a pike, whatever it was. Ned.
Bro, if you catch a pickerel, grab it by the tail and go up and slam it against the pavement.
Oh, don't say that on camera, bro.
No, we have the knife.
camera!
Well, I mean,
Slam it against the pavement and stomp on it!
well, no, we have a knife.
No, so guys, the only reason why we're saying this is we wouldn't do this to a regular fish. So the law in Maine is to, if you catch a pickerel, you have to kill it because they're invasive. So I wouldn't do it, but it's enforced and it eats the whole ecosystem. Oh, there's a bite.
Remember when we were fishing and we caught 2 pickerels and
Got one.
you and I dissected them?
Oh, don't say
Oh,
that.
yeah, that was cool.
Did you? Well, it's swimming. Oh.
What is it? Oh. Yeah! Look at this dude. He's wanna hold him? Oh, on my face.
Did he slap you?
Yeah. Snappy.
On our bait.
Yo.
Yo, that's a cool bird.
Look how fat this guy's head is.
Wow, bro. I want to poke him in the mouth.
There.
Why are you throwing back?
Look at him. You can see him swimming.
You saw him swim until he was good. Alright, I'm gonna see if I get a fish with just this amount of bait. Alright, doing the trick with the water out of my boot. Oh, I'm getting a bite. I had a bite when I knew it, and I don't really care. Yeah, bugs in my ear. Hi. Hi. Okay, I'm gonna put more worm on. I'll get back to you guys. Simon just got a Oh my gosh. Look, guys.
Look at it.
It was like the worst cast ever, and Simon got a bass.
Guys.
Simon, hold your fish.
Take a picture. Take a picture.
Simon, hold your fish.
Yeah, Simon, hold it. Hold it. Look at it.
Ah!
Oh my gosh, you almost lost it.
Okay.
Alright, so guys, that's insane. It was like, Simon was like,
Okay, darn it. Okay.
that was insane.
It's like a 1.5 pound.
Get
bass.
it in the net.
Alright, Simon, you hold it.
No, get it in the net.
No.
I don't want to hold that thing.
Okay, then I'll hold it. and then-
Okay, so guys, look at that thing.
Look at it, guys. Look, it's a nice fat
Wait,
bass.
hold it. Hold it.
Wait, let me try holding it.
Spank it.
No, guys.
Alright.
Simon, you're blind.
Alright.
Stop.
Alright.
Take a picture. Go into picture
Okay,
mode.
so guys, we'll get back to you when we get another fish.
Yeah.
Alright.
Live line.
Holy crap, this is tiny.
Oh, and you still for him.
Alright, can you go get the...
A big hole. Wait, let me see your size. Sir.
Quick, go!
Hold him in the water.
No.
Can't hold back anymore. Let it go. Let it go. Can't hold back anymore. All right, we will get back to you guys when there's more content heading your way. Okay, so we released that bass and I caught a bluegill and I forgot to get it on camera.
We forgot to measure the bass.
Oh yeah, that was 15. All right, Simon, here's my rod. Simon, here's my rod. All right, so Simon and I are switching. Simon, just leave it, Simon.
Yeah, until you get like you're having bites. Here, can I try?
Wait, no, Pierce. Was that
No, that was not the fish.
Did I pull?
That's not the fish. Okay, turn it on.
I know it's filming. Oh gosh,
I got a big fish.
Pierce has got a big one. No.
Darn it!
No!
Darn it!
That was really big. Pierce, bring it back. Pierce, throw it right back out.
Guys,
Guys, that was a big fish.
Two bass hit my bait. Well, I don't know if that was a bass.
That
had one
was.
huge-
Oh, let me see it.
Holy, that's a pickerel. That's a pickerel, guys. Look at that.
Look at that.
Look at that, Simon. Look at that.
Oh, that's a pickerel.
All right, Pierce.
I don't want to repeat that.
I had a fish, and it was a good one, and I lost it. F in the chat.
Guys, can we get some rips in the comments?
Yeah, for me losing two.
Holy, I felt it go through my hair.
Guys, F in the chat is for streams. Rip in the comments is for YouTubers.
Oh, sorry.
We probably won't even get 1,000 subscribers.
Yeah, guys, come on, get us 1,000 subs so then we can live stream for you boys.
Yeah, we'll do live stream fishing. I have a little bite on
Yeah, we'll do a full day of live stream fishing.
Not a full day, that'd take forever.
So, fishing is fun.
Fishing is fun. Fishing is fun. Fishing.
Guys, can
Fishing.
we get some fishing is fun in the comments?
Yeah, fishing is fun.
We're just asking for so much from the comments.
Yeah, sorry,
Once
comment
we
section.
turn them on. Once we know how to.
Yeah, we'll turn it on for you guys. Don't worry, we got your backs. We got your backs. Simon, stop. I was having bites. Then I lost it to you. No, I'm just kidding.
Yo, Chris is getting mad.
I kind of feel bad for that little fish. Like,
Well, the faster you catch them.
oh, it looked like it was flying back.
Oh, got one. Wow. No, I didn't.
Simon, we may want to put Simon. If Nick catches another little bluegill, you want to put a bigger hook on it?
No, on. Got one. Got a fish.
He's a big name of T-Fish.
Twist
A
fish.
big fan of T-Fish.
Look at this dude.
Too big for live one.
No, but what if we don't get any more?
Oh yeah.
All right.
Big fish. Are we just gonna leave him there?
Yeah.
The fact that his tail is...
Poor thing.
Should we let him free?
Yeah.
Be free, little fishy.
Throw him!
Pierce, put him in.
Be free. Get eaten by a little fishy.
Get eaten by a shark. A big fat shark.
Shark.
Ned, we don't have sharks.
Water,
Shut up, you're
pole
frightening the
shark, pole shark.
cubs.
Yeah, Maine. I don't know.
Yeah, Maine has sharks in the ocean.
And
Only dumb sharks in our ocean.
It's called aquarium, Simon. Not
I
a.
don't care!
We have like fish.
Pierce, can you give me like a worm?
Can I catch a fish?
All right, can you give me a worm, Pierce, please?
Usually faster.
Simon, I don't know how Simon caught a bass.
I think
I don't know either. I'm using the
we think it was the same one that was hitting my bobber. We think it was my bobber that was hitting that bass.
I wish I had my GoPro with this morning so I could get the striper on.
Yeah, but you also probably would have recorded Pierce pooping.
Let's not talk about that. I don't want to get demonetized. Simon fell in the water.
Be quiet, okay?
No!
We don't talk about Simon. I don't want to get demonetized. Alright, if you guys are watching us, please subscribe.
Yeah. Don't demonetize it.
Make sure to like, subscribe,
Oh yeah, forget
and hit the post notifications. Still don't know my English. So, like, if you want to see more of our content and just support us.
Oh yeah.
Thank you guys so much. We have 15 subs. We're godly. Don't, like, put
Like, if
our
we get
channel.
featured in like a popular person's video, like
And whose video would that be?
No one.
Feuds.
That wouldn't happen.
No, never.
I mean, like, I know this guy. I saw this guy, Best Productions. He was featured in a laser beam video. 2 weeks, he had 5 subscribers at the time. 2 weeks later, he had over 1,000.
What did he do?
I don't know, but he was really good at what he did.
Whatever it was.
All right, this is my last chance to catch a fish. Okay, so guys, now, well, we haven't had any luck for a while, so I think Pierce is gonna stay down. And, so, yeah, so it's the end of the video, and sorry for the bad outro. All right, so thanks for watching our video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the post notifications for more videos like this. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you have a great rest of your week and day. Peace.